Would you like to 3x your agency growth in 2023 based on what worked for us to do it in 2022? Well, obviously you're in luck, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you the things that we did in 2022 that allowed us to 3x our agency's revenue growth, and how you can do the same thing in 2023 so that you can have the same growth. Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm the founder and CEO of Level Up Outsourcing. We pair international business owners with online experts in the Philippines to help save you time and increase the profitability in your business. So let's dive into the video. So the first thing that we did in 2022 that helped us to 3x our business revenue was to start running paid ads. And this might sound easy, but we'd only been operating for 1 year before that. And so it was our second year of business, and we hadn't really tested or found a strategy that worked for paid advertising yet. We'd done organic outreach via cold email, LinkedIn, and Instagram, but we had not tested paid ads. So we started running paid ads. We did lead form ads. They convert the best for us. We tested a funnel that didn't really work. It was a bit of a fail. So we're actually currently in the process of building out a new funnel to try and get leads in that way as well. But at the moment, we get over 200 leads from Facebook and Instagram every month, and around the same on TikTok as well, because we've implemented lead form ads on all of those platforms. So that's the first step, because it's going to allow you to scale your sales pipeline. It's going to allow you to fill your sales pipeline with leads that are interested in working with you. Now, step number 2 is, once you have started to lock in some of those leads and lock in the clients from all of the leads that you have coming in from the paid ads, I want you to start documenting your sales process. This is going to be your appointment setting scripts. It's going to be your sales script. You maybe use a demo presentation in your sales calls, your intro call if you need your clients to meet team members. Anything that's involved in the sales process, I want you to start to document it. And then I want you to put together a training program that would give a potential salesperson all of the information that they would need about your business and your agency and how to sell your services. Because it's all well and good to bring a salesperson in, but if you don't give them the proper training on your services, what makes them different, and how you get results for your clients, why somebody should work with your agency, all of that sort of information needs to be included in a training program so that they know how to sell your services really well. So that is step number 2, to create a training program and systems around your sales process. Step number 3 is to hire and train an appointment setter and a closer. So somebody that can set appointments into your calendar or into your closer's calendar. And then eventually also somebody that can close the deals for you. So close people on Zoom or in-person meetings for you so that you don't have to be so involved in the sales process anymore. When we brought on an appointment setter and a sales closer, it allowed me to leverage my time. I wasn't so involved in the selling process. Well, I was for a while. We both did it for a while, but now I'm a little bit more removed. So now we're bringing on more appointment setters and more closers. So it really allows you to take things to the next level, because that appointment setter and that closer, that is their sole responsibility, trying to set appointments and close deals. Whereas when you're trying to do it yourself as the agency owner, you're also trying to run the business and manage the team and look after client fulfillment, and you can't really give it as much time and energy as you need to. So that was really such a big factor in us being able to 3x our revenue this year, was bringing on a sales team, so an appointment setter and a closer. And the fourth thing that really helped us this year to be able to 3x our revenue, and something that you can implement to do the same, is to start to build out a team of virtual assistants that can help with the client fulfillment side of things. So obviously our client fulfillment is a little bit different to your your client fulfillment, if you're an agency owner, like a marketing agency, web design agency, branding agency, you will have specific deliverables that you need to give to your client. For us, our deliverables are candidates and people that they would want to work with, whereas you will have documents and projects and things to work on. So you can hire virtual assistants and you can hire people in the Philippines to help fulfill either. We've hired a whole HR team in the Philippines to help us find candidates and do the recruiting and do our whole onboarding process to find really highly skilled virtual assistants for our clients. But you can also get a team of virtual assistants that will be able to help with your client fulfillment. So design, video editing, graphics, copywriting, project management, anything that you need to fulfill your client work, paid ads, organic outreach, whatever it is, you will be able to build a team of skilled experts in the Philippines to help you fulfill your client stuff. And that's going to allow you and your in-house team to leverage your time and to really focus on those high revenue generating activities, because you're not going to be so involved in the day-to-day of the business. You'll get to work on the business, and if you have in-house team members, they'll be able to work on the high level strategy, while your virtual assistants and your virtual team overseas will work on implementing that strategy and creating all of the assets and deliverables to implement that strategy to give to the clients. Now, if you need support with finding highly skilled virtual assistants to work in your agency to help with the client fulfillment side of things, please shoot us an email, hello@levelupoutsourcing.com. We would be more than happy to help, because that is our area of expertise. We help agency owners get highly skilled virtual assistants in the Philippines to help with the client fulfillment side of things. Plus, we also have over 70 plug and play SOP documents and training videos that you can implement straight into your agency and use to scale your team in 2023. It saves so much time and so much energy implementing our systems and our SOPs into your business instead of you having to create all of those documents yourself. So if you'd like more information, again, shoot us an email, hello@levelupoutsourcing.com, and we can help you scale your agency in 2023. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications for when we put out new content. And until the next episode, I'll see you later. Bye.